Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to connect your Notion account to Google Drive. So from your Notion homepage, click in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to click on Settings. From there, you want to click on Connections. And here is where you can manage and explore different connections. So click on Explore and you should see Google Drive pop up. From there, click on the plus icon, and here is where you can connect your Google Drive. I have to point out that if you do want to connect your Google Drive to Notion, you will have to have a business account though. But if you're happy to pay, you can get like a 30-day free trial as well to try it out to see if it's right for you. But if you're happy with that, click on Start Free Trial, and then you can connect your Google Drive and access your Drive files right within Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.